So this is one of my favorite spaces in my home. I've got my cold plunge down here, but I got my deck up there with my pergola. I love it, but the wind where I live is the windiest in my whole state. So one thing I needed to do was secure that pergola to my home using some heavy-duty L brackets that would keep that thing completely solid and protected from the elements. Let me show you how we did it. One of my favorite places to relax in my backyard is right here where my cold plunge is. This shady little spot, but my other favorite spot is actually directly above me. The problem is, one of these spaces was built for the elements, and the other, man, it was getting pushed around by them. Guys, this is my RELAXURE Pergola. It has completely transformed our deck and our outdoor living space. Before we put this up, the space was almost unusable during the summer. Our backyard faces west, so every afternoon the sun just beats down on our deck. Our neighborhood is still pretty new, so we don't have all those mature trees to provide much shade, but as soon as we installed this pergola, my neighbors started asking me where I got it. A lot of them have west-facing backyards too. They're dealing with the exact same challenge that we are. They really wanted to know if it made that much of a difference, and it absolutely does. So now, my wife comes out here to relax. My kids come out here to read. Sometimes we even eat dinner out here. We barbecue out here. And honestly, it's become one of our very favorite spots to spend time together as a family. But there was one big problem. So I live in what has to be one of the windiest neighborhoods in Utah, and I can actually prove it. So about a mile from my house, this way, is one of the country's premier hang gliding and paragliding sites. People travel here from all over the world because the wind is so perfect and consistent for hang gliding. And to make things worse, my backyard backs up to the road that leads straight to that flight park. That road creates a direct wind corridor right into my backyard. So every time the wind picks up, well gosh, this pergola kind of picks up too. And here's the thing, this thing isn't sitting on the ground. This is sitting on top of my deck about 20 feet in the air. If this pergola ever came loose, it would not just be inconvenient, it would be catastrophic. It could cause some serious damage to the windows around, to our house. I knew that I needed a better solution. So one night the wind was so bad that I actually grabbed a ladder at midnight, climbed up here, and I literally used ratchet straps to strap my pergola poles to my house. And honestly, it worked surprisingly well, but I knew that that was not a permanent solution. Okay, my plan was actually pretty simple. I was gonna buy some of these heavy-duty L bracket, 8-inch steel brackets from Home Depot. These are for shelves. These are for heavy-duty projects, and they're solid steel. All right, so the goal was to anchor the pergola directly into the wall studs of my house, and then to secure the pergola frame into those brackets. All right, guys, before we secure this pergola to the house, let's go ahead and rip up our old rug, kind of clean up the area, move the couch, and get our area staged and ready for us to actually do this project and make it look nice. All right, so I've moved the pergola away from the house. The next thing we're gonna do is I've marked the spots where these little 8-inch L brackets are gonna go. We're gonna use our Milwaukee Carbide tip drill bits to drill through so that we expose our hardy board, and then we've got our little Tapcon screws that we'll use to hang these guys. Let's get to it. So simple in theory, right? Until I started drilling. So because of this stucco and the hardy board behind it, my stud finder isn't deep enough to penetrate that and to figure out where these studs are from the outside. So I had to measure everything from inside the house. I found the studs, I transferred those measurements to the outside. I wanted every bracket anchored into solid 2x6 framing, not just the exterior hardy board sheathing. So then I ran into another problem. So these factory holes in these brackets, well, they didn't line up exactly where I needed them. And even worse, 2 of them lined up right there, directly underneath the motor that controls these pergola louvers. If I had used the pre-drilled holes, I would have driven a screw right into the motor. Actually, I had to drill a new hole through that L bracket. Even though it has holes, none of them were in the exact right spot because I have a motor in that little area right there. I did not want to puncture the motor, so I had to go into a different spot. Anyway, got it in, got that screw through, so that side is being held in, and that would have been a very expensive mistake. So instead, I drilled new holes through that 1/8 inch steel L bracket. Now I love my DeWalt cordless drill, and it gave everything it had, but eventually I had to bring out the big guns. My corded DeWalt drill. Sometimes you just need the right tool for the job, and this one got it done. Once the brackets were installed in the house, I slid the pergola on top with my wife, and we screwed little sheet metal screws right up into that bottom rail of the pergola. After that, I leveled out all 4 of these posts. And I bolted them directly into the Trex decking. This entire project ended up costing less than about $70, about 35 bucks for the Carbide Masonry drill bits, a few structural screws for the wall, sheet metal screws for the pergola, and then quality deck screws with washers to anchor these posts in. So for less than 70 bucks, I completely changed how confident I feel about this pergola and outdoor space. And guys, now when the wind starts blowing, I don't worry anymore. Honestly, I kind of like it. I'll come out here, I'll watch the trees moving, I'll feel the wind, and this pergola doesn't even flinch. And that's a pretty great feeling. Okay, listen, an unexpected benefit has been to see how much longer our outdoor furniture has lasted. So before we had this pergola, the afternoon sun absolutely just destroyed our patio cushions. It felt like we were replacing them every 2 years. But now look, they're in the shade, they're protected from the sun, from the rain, and after a few years, they still look great. Another thing I was worried about before installing this pergola was that it would make the inside of our house feel dark, shaded. I thought we would lose a lot of that natural light in our main living area. But honestly, that hasn't been the case at all. And actually, instead of making things feel smaller, it's actually made us feel like we have this entirely new room an extension of our living space out onto our deck. Now that it's securely anchored, I absolutely love this setup. It's become one of our favorite places to spend time together as a family, whether we're relaxing, reading, grilling, or just enjoying this incredible panoramic 180-degree view. If you've been thinking about adding a pergola to your backyard, I'll leave a link to the RELAXURE Pergola down below. We've genuinely loved ours, and after securing it like this, I have a ton of confidence in how it handles the conditions that we get here. Listen, thank you so much for watching. My name is Derek. This channel is DIY Derek. We love this thing, and we'll see you in the next project.